Hey everyone, welcome to the LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be explaining how to make any nail polish last longer on your nails. These steps can be used for a manicure as well as a pedicure. I'll start off by saying why they occur and then move on to how to prevent the little chippings while applying anything like a nail polish or a top coat. I'll also be sharing some of my tips and tricks from which you will get the most out of any nail polish or top coat that you use. This is the nail polish that I'm currently testing out. It is a purple shade by the brand Teen Beauty. I will be uploading my review of this nail polish in the month of October. Please click the eye icon which is on the top right side corner to view this video. As this video progresses, there will be more such pop-ups. Do check them out for more information. Why does the nail polish chip off? The many reasons for chipping and peeling of nail polish are biting of nails, constant wear and tear from doing manual labor such as washing clothes and utensils without any protection like gloves, etc. Not doing a good pre-treatment before applying nail polish, not applying the nail polish correctly, and lastly, not doing a follow-up or a post-treatment after applying the nail polish. Don't forget to check out my nail art and nail care related videos. It is a must-watch for beginners. How to prevent the nail polish from chipping? If the canvas is bad, then no amount of costly paint and brush will be good enough. In the same way, the nail should also be treated and prepped properly before applying the nail polish. Please do check out my video, which is episode 151. It is a salon style manicure at home video. And also episode 176, which is a salon style pedicure at home video. Both have a step-by-step instructions that you can follow for the pre-treatment that I mentioned. Before applying the base coat, I quickly wipe the surface of my nails. This way I remove any foreign matter and prevent any bumps from happening. This will also remove any oils. Now I apply my base coat. I do my best to cover my nails with a thin, even coat. I finish by sealing the tip with some base coat. I don't move my hands and wait for the base coat to dry. I don't move so that I prevent any little hairs or lint from sticking on my nail polish. A base coat not only protects the nail from dark colors but also creates a smooth surface layer. After my base coat has dried up, I apply my nail polish. Please watch episode 166. It is a how to apply nail polish perfectly at home like a pro video. I usually apply just one coat of nail polish and follow it up with cleaning of my cuticle area to achieve a clean line of nail polish. Clean lines look nice and also prevent nail polish from lifting and being pulled back because it was stuck to your skin or cuticle. Again, I wait for this to dry up completely. I finally finish by applying a top coat. I finish by sealing the tip with some top coat. I don't move until this is completely dried up. Lastly, I follow up with a post-treatment and basic daily care of nails after my nail polish is completely dry. Please do check out these videos. If you follow them thoroughly, your nails will look like this after it has grown out. Depending on your nail growth, this could be about 1 or 2 weeks. This is how my nails look after 1 week. These are my top 5 videos of this year, 2020. Did you check them out yet? Links to all the 5 videos are mentioned in the description box. If you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!